Joe here again. Lots of exciting stuff coming up this weekend. We've got Drago Mallet going on camp, and they're going to fill us up with loads of fun on Monday. However, it's been a really exciting week Jamboree wise for us. We've had most of the kit delivered, the UK contingent kit's been delivered, and the rest of it's being delivered today, so by the time some of you watch this video it'll already be with us. But we've seen the bags, we've seen the big bag, the little bag, the t-shirts, the bottles. That's what we've got so far, so we're waiting for unit shirts, like Explorer shirts, shorts. So it's all coming up, it's really exciting. There's less than 100 days to go. There's 99 days today left to go. It's been really exciting. I've had a leader from Italy get in contact with me, who I'm going to get back in contact with over the weekend. So it's really exciting. It's all starting to Jamboree hot up now, and I can't wait to get going. So look forward to seeing you all soon, and more exciting stuff to come on Monday.
We hope that you like that video. If you want to follow our journey, give us a like on Facebook, follow on Twitter, or subscribe down below.